Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment, we're going to cover how to adjust a table saw. Okay, there's a couple basic adjustments for the operator of a table saw, one of which is the height of the blade. This is not straight with the table itself. You'll end up with crooked cuts and a malfunctioning saw. The way to do this is to use a square, place it against one edge of the saw, and you want to hold it up. Make sure you're tight against the base of the saw and then tight against the blade. And you want to check for variances between the front of the blade and the back of the blade. If you have a carbide tooth blade, you want to make sure that you're in between the carbide teeth with your square so the square itself isn't riding on one of the carbide teeth. And just checking that, you want to make sure you have the same clearance, actually no clearance, at both the front of the blade and the back of the blade. If this is square, you know your blade is calibrated to the rest of the saw, and using the other adjustments is easy. If it's not, you'll have to flip the saw over, and the specific adjustments for each saw are specific to the saw itself. So you'll need to check your owner's manual to get those adjustments to make the calibration of the blade. Another thing you can do, most of the pointing devices used for the angle, the actual arrow indicator is calibratable itself. So you want to check your 90 degrees by using the corner square, holding it flush on the base, checking in between the carbide teeth, and making sure that that's a perfect 90-degree angle. If that's off, adjust the handle until it reaches 90 degrees, and then change the calibration on your pointer, which is done by loosening a set screw on the bottom and moving it so it reads absolute 0. Then again, check it the same way, doing it 45. Tilt your blade over to a 45 position, check it, make sure that it's accurate, and adjust the pointing arrow as indicated. That's how you adjust a table saw.